One of the fastest ways to turn off buyers and even lower your home's value is making the wrong flooring choices. Believe it or not, bad flooring can make or break a sale. In fact, I had some clients decide not to put in an offer on a house we saw the other day because of the floors. And the reason why is one of the topics I'm going to discuss in this video. If this is the first time we've met, hi, I'm Abby, a licensed real estate agent here in the Carolinas, and my sisters and I have helped over 1,000 buyers and sellers make that dream of homeownership come true. If you're planning to sell in 2025, be sure to download our free seller's guide linked in the description below. It's a step-by-step resource that walks you through the entire selling process and details all of our tricks of the trade. All right, let's get into the worst flooring mistakes that can hurt your resale value and what you should do instead. The first mistake is floors that are way too busy. Stripe-looking floors, overly patterned tile, or floors with too many different shades mixed together can overwhelm buyers. Right now, the trend is either light and airy flooring or dark and rich tones, both of which can create a clean, high-end look. The problem with busy flooring is that it can make a space feel chaotic, and buyers might struggle to picture their own furniture and decor in the home. A good rule of thumb is to stick to classic neutral colors that will appeal to the widest range of buyers. Trendy or super bold flooring choices might seem fun now, but they can seriously limit your pool of buyers when it's time to sell. Next up is mismatched flooring. This is one of the biggest mistakes I see sellers make. If you have 3 or 4 different types of flooring throughout your house, tile in one room, laminate in another, carpet in the bedrooms, and vinyl in the hallway, it creates a choppy, uncoordinated look. This is the reason my buyer clients decide to pass on a home that we saw the other day. In a 1,500 square foot house, we counted 6 different types of flooring. Buyers love a cohesive flow, and mismatched flooring makes a home feel disjointed and outdated. It also makes buyers wary of how much money they will have to invest right away to replace the floors. So if you need to update your flooring before selling, try to choose one consistent material for the main areas. Another huge mistake is replacing just one section of flooring and leaving the rest undone. Maybe the kitchen floors were in rough shape, so you replaced them, but now they don't match with the rest of the house. Or you put new hardwood in the living room, but left the old, worn-out carpet in the bedrooms. This creates an obvious mismatch and makes buyers question how well the home has been maintained overall. If you're updating your flooring, it's important to think about the big picture. A home with consistent, well-maintained flooring feels more move-in ready, which is exactly what today's buyers are looking for. If a full flooring update isn't possible, at least focus on the high traffic areas and make sure any transitions between different flooring types are done cleanly. One more mistake sellers make is choosing flooring that's too high maintenance or delicate. For example, softwood floors that scratch easily, high gloss finishes that show every footprint, or white carpets that stain with the slightest spill. Buyers don't want to worry about constant upkeep or replacing floors shortly after moving in. Instead, opt for durable, low-maintenance materials that can handle daily wear and tear. Engineered hardwood, luxury vinyl plank, and high-quality laminate are all great options that look high-end without the hassle of extreme maintenance. The goal when selling your home is to make it as appealing as possible to buyers, and flooring plays a huge role in that first impression. So avoid mismatched flooring, steer clear of overly busy patterns, don't just replace one section and leave the rest undone, and be careful not to choose a material that is hard to maintain. Aim for a clean, cohesive look with neutral tones that will stand the test of time. Also, if you're looking for a trusted real estate agent or lender anywhere in the entire US, I can connect you with the best professionals in your area. Just reach out and I'll make sure you're in good hands. Now that you know what not to do with flooring when selling your home, make sure to watch this video next, all about the secret paint colors that buyers love.